Hello guys, in this question number 1.7 we have an equilateral triangle whose sides are L, L and L. We have to calculate electric force on each of the charges. At first we will calculate electric force on this, after this and this. Now electric force on this charge due to this charge will be towards this direction, and due to negative charge it will attract this charge towards this direction and it will be toward along this. Take now electric force due to this charge will be F is equal to K into Q1 into Q2 upon L square. Then Q1 into Q2 will become Q square by L square, and the force due to this charge will be towards this direction, and it will be F is equal to K into Q1 into Q2. That will become Q square by L square. This F and F both are equal, and the angle between both will be this is 60, therefore it will become 180 minus 60, it will be 120 degree, and the net force will be towards this direction, and this net will be F and F. There is a shortcut that if equal force act on a point F and F, and the angle between both is theta, then the resultant of that two equal forces will be 2F cos theta by 2, that is 2 into F into F. F is here both in both the cases F is KQ square by L square into cos theta by 2, that is cos 120 degree by 2, that is cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree, it will be 2 into F into cos 61 by 2, 2 cancel, therefore it will be F. F means F net is equal to F net towards this direction will be KQ square by L square. Therefore on this charge net force will be towards this direction, and it will be KQ square by L square. Answer. Similarly, the situation is same in this condition. This positive will repel towards this, and this negative will attract towards this, and the net force will be in this direction, and it will be also KQ square by L square from symmetry. This will attract, and now 120 degree. And now we will calculate the force on this charge. This positive will attract this charge, and this positive will also attract this charge. This is 60 degree, theta is equal to 60 degree. The force on this charge due to this will be F is equal to K into Q1 into Q2 by L square. QQ is same, therefore KQ square by L square. Man's sign will not be taken, and similarly this charge will attract this charge towards this direction, and it will be also KQ square by L square. Therefore net force in this direction F is equal to KQ square by L square, and in this direction F is equal to KQ square by L square. 60 degree, theta is equal to, therefore from trick we can write F net is equal to 2F cos theta by 2, that is 2F cos 60 by 2, that is 30 degree. So 2F cos 30 degree, that is root 3 by 2, 2 cancel, that will be F root 3, that is KQ square by L square into root 3. It will be the answer. Net force on this charge will be this one, and on this charge will be the same, but the direction will be different, and net force on this charge will be towards this direction. That will be it. Now you can take the screenshot, like my video and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.